Guys, my name is Maya Davila and welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is gonna be my first video ever. This channel is mostly gonna be, you know, beauty based, beauty, fashion. I'm definitely gonna throw in vlogs if you guys are interested in. I'm also very interested in fitness and a lot of different things, but I just want to start off this video with kind of like everyday makeup tutorial. I already primed, moisturized, and washed my face prior to this. So for brows, all I use this little pencil thing right there. This came with a Milani set, I think, with the pomade. So that's where that came from. And I use it because it's actually really good. Like, and then for eyebrows, I actually use eyeliner. This is the cream eyeliner in Carbon My Reach. It's by Wet n Wild. I don't know, I feel like it applies a lot smoother, and obviously you can't go like really dark because then it's gonna come out like carbon black. That's pretty much what I do to like kind of like outline the brows. And then next what I do is actually I use the concealer to outline the brows. I'm just gonna leave them like that. And then I take kind of like whatever's left in here to kind of outline this part right there. So after I do my eyebrows, next I move on to foundation. The foundation that I'm gonna be using today is the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, the full coverage one, the Superstay. This one, I love it, it's really good. I'm in the shade Natural Ivory 112. Some padding
motions, just like that. Okay, there we go.
And then I take my concealer. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Infallible Pro Glow Concealer. And I'm going to use that right on the bottom. I don't like my concealer to be too much lighter. I like it to almost be kind of like the same color, like on a day-to-day basis. And I contour at the same time. Just so this is the Fit Me foundation, the stick.
Bring some definition back to the face after the foundation. That is going to work that in like that, and the tip. And then I'll put that a little there.
that's that. And then I just take a little bit of loose powder. I take the Airspun loose powder and I just use a little bit powder just on where I get like the fine line, where the makeup sets in the fine lines in the eye. So that's where I'll do it, a little bit right there. Just push it in, and then the same to the other eye. Just push kind of the rest on the nose area. So I have a large pores there, so I just kind of push it in. Okay, and then I set the rest of the face with a little bit of the powder. So that goes that, and then I don't like to wear a lot of blush, but I do wear just a tiny bit. My blush, which is the Milani powder blush in the shade 08 Tea Rose. So it's this one. Do that, and then just put it on the bottoms of my cheeks like that. Just a little bit. There we go. Take this brush and kind of move the concealer around the eye. And then I'll just take the same bronzer that we used to bronze up the face on this brush. I think I just bought it as like a Walmart set brush. It's the Eco Tools. It's the angled crease brush. I'm gonna take a little bit of the bronzer, and then I'm just gonna use it and then that's all I do for eyeshadow. And then lastly, I'm just gonna take this angled brush by BH Cosmetics. It was like in a brush set, the pink one. I'm just gonna take some highlighter. This is the Sleek Makeup in the highlighting palette in Solstice. So I'm just gonna take that and highlight the brow bone. And then highlight the inner corner to open up the eyes a little bit more. Just like that. And then I'm gonna take that on the tip of my nose. I'm gonna take some of that on the bridge of my nose, kind of to make that exclamation mark. Take some on my cupid's bow, and the best for last, highlighter. Guys, I love highlighter. So I'm gonna start off with the same Sleek, just on the cheeks.
Like so. Kind of work it up there. And do the same on the other side. Oof. But this is not blending enough for me.
I go ahead and take the e.l.f. shimmer highlighting powder, and I take some of that, and I also brush it. And then lastly, just for a little additional glow, I take the Mascara Holographic highlighter by Maybelline, and then I'll just finish off kind of. And then I spray the setting spray. I have the Milani Make It Last setting spray, this one. So just take some of that. Spray it on the face. And then I'll just lastly take my mascara. This is the L'Oreal Luminous Original Mascara. And that's it for the finished look. Wait, never mind, guys. Ugh, I totally forgot lipstick. Lips. On an everyday to-day basis, what I like to use is just some lip balm. I'm gonna apply that. This Wet n Wild Velvet Matte Lip Color. It's like a crayon. And I'm just gonna use that and then probably some lip gloss over it. So I'm just gonna, for the lip gloss, I'm just gonna use this lip gloss, Starshine Gloss by Bath & Body Works. Alright, that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and give me any video ideas that you might like to see. Like I said, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to get to know you guys more and that you guys get to know me more. Thank you. Bye.
You got that, you got that, you got that. 'Cause I know I can treat you better.